Hello everyone, and welcome to another install video. Today I'm going to do a quick install of a third brake light. In advance I'd like to apologize for a portion of the video where the camera is going to be shaky and very noisy. It's a very windy day out today, so that's why it's going to be a little noisy. I didn't realize how noisy it is, otherwise I would have worn a lapel mic. Anyway, hopefully you enjoy this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a plastic pry tool. I'm going to go around the edge, removing the adhesive tape that holds the brake light in place, and pop the light out. Alright, let's go. Light is out. Alright, now let's remove the clip. Okay, light is out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a piece of painter's tape to keep this thing in place. I don't feel like removing the cover underneath and getting it out. So now I'm going to clean this up, get all this old goo out, and get the new light. Okay, now that the air is cleaned, let's install the new light. So, I'm going to remove this blue covering tape and get the harness back in. Okay, and the new third brake light is in. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick and easy install of a third brake light. I haven't had much time to do more videos. Been traveling quite a bit for the past couple of weeks, but hopefully I'll have more time very soon to do a bunch of other installs. Have a bunch of parts sitting and waiting on in the boxes. So stay tuned for more install videos. Take care.